What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video we're going to be doing some maintenance, boys. Yeah, that's right. We're going to be talking about what goes into keeping these bikes running at the top level maintenance wise. Hey, you see Mrs. Moore Mafia, she's over there shipping out merch orders. We're working hard even on a Monday. We have got a lot of stuff going on. Merch sales have been going through the roof. We appreciate all the support there. Check us out, moremafia.com, if you have not picked up yours. We have brand new merch dropping here in the next 2 days with Pablo and Ralphie t-shirts. Yeah, that's right, boys. The dogs got their own shirts. But back to the video. Let's get back to what we're talking about. Magic Mike, you see him over there. He's working hard. He is cleaning the fuel injectors on my Kawasaki ZX14R. This is a super stock bike. For those of you who don't know what super stock is a class that they run in XDA racing, and it is basically a stock motorcycle. But it is a professional heads-up class. So you can see the bike is stock length, short swing arm. You got the Brock's Performance exhaust. You got ceramic wheel bearings, which you can't see, but they're in there. But basically, you're only allowed to do basic modifications to the motorcycle. So this bike has exhaust, ECU Flash and tune. We run MR12 race gas, ceramic wheel bearings, Brock's Performance clutch mod, and a lowering kit. That's pretty much it. So if you have a bone stock bike, it costs you about $3,500 to fully prep it to be considered a professional super stock bike. So it doesn't take a lot of money or a lot of work to get these things where they need to be, I guess you say, machine wise, but it takes a lot of work to get them, or to get you to be a HTP professional super stock. So another thing we got to do, we got to keep the oil changed in these things all the time. So we run a Allison less than zero weight oil and Petron Plus additive. This stuff is worth about 2 to 3 horsepower on the dyno. Definitely makes a big difference. Your motorcycle has to have oil in it, so you might as well put the good stuff in it that's going to make it make more power, go faster, and it also makes the clutch last longer. So it's got additives and stuff in the oil that really helps a lot with keeping the oil or keeping the clutch happy in these things. So my particular bike here makes about 216 horsepower on MR12 race gas. And as you can imagine, to manage that much power off the starting line with such a short wheelbase, really a lot of finesse on the old clutch hand. Takes a lot of work. That's why we got the Brock's Performance clutch mod in there. That makes the clutches last longer. It also makes it much smoother in order to manage that power. But maintenance wise, we do have to keep up with the clutch. The clutches only last us about 1 to 2 races, you know, per, I guess you say, event weekend, which is pretty decent for me on the clutch. Some of the guys don't get that much passes out of them, because we have to slip the clutch so far. Another thing that we got going on over here, Magic Mike, he is cleaning the fuel injectors on this thing. And the fuel injectors do get gummed up from running MR12 race gas from time to time. And we have to keep those removed and cleaned and freshened up. We do that about once or twice a season, just to be safe. And as well as spark plugs. The spark plugs we run in this thing are NGK Iridium CR9 EIA9s. That is basically what they come with from the factory. So nothing super special there. Just your basic spark plug upgrades. We run that same oil in my 2020 GSX-R 1000. You guys know this is the one we're racing Ricky Gatson with on May 15th at Galot Motorsports Park. That race will be going down. For those of you who don't know about that race, who are maybe new to the channel, basically the race is 2 stock motorcycles, one from Kawasaki, one from Suzuki, do anything you can do to it besides modify the engine. So we have, of course, got exhaust, tune, clutch mods, carbon fiber BST wheels, every little add-on and bolt-on you can possibly think of. These things are tuned up to the max, making the most power they possibly can. Super long tractor trailer swing arm. Basically just lock and load with these things. I have been a best time so far of an 8:21 in the quarter mile. That's pretty fast for what they are. We have been a 5:20 in the 1/8 mile. And like I said, this thing is pretty much fully equipped with all goodies from Brock's Performance as well. I do have a discount code and a link below. If you guys want to get some of these parts for your bike, you can go on there. See those wheels, all real pure carbon fiber. So the wheels are practically weigh nothing on these things. But I just wanted to go over and talk to you, show you some of the stuff we had going in the shop today. Short video, not super exciting, but this is a lot of knowledge that you guys can take and learn from this, and just seeing what kind of maintenance it takes to get your bike to the tip-top shape. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click the bell for further notifications and smash that like button. We'll see you next time.